Look at the final result. A delicious dessert, bursting with silky and creamy milk. The aroma smells incredible, paired with soft and sweet Thai banana. For the best taste, serve it when it's warm. I hope you give this simple recipe a try. I personally love this dessert because it's unbelievable delicious. Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Healthy is true wealth. Today I am excited to share my delicious recipe, how to make banana coconut dessert. A dessert is bursting with creamy coconut aroma while the bananas are soft and sweet. Let me show you how easy it is to make. Let's get started. You will need 5 cups of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of tapioca, 140 grams of sugar, and half teaspoons of salt. Next, I am going to show you how to prepare. I am going to pour the coconut milk into the pan. I'm making this coconut milk myself instead of buying from the store because it's pure 100%. There is no preservative, no additive, and it's only one ingredient, coconut. If you are interested to learn how to make coconut milk yourself, I include the link in the description below. I am going to bring this coconut milk to a boil. Now, I am going to soak this tapioca in water. Then set it aside. Next, I am going to cut the banana. Now that all the bananas are peeled, next I am going to cut each banana into 3 pieces. You can use plantain if you do not have Thai banana. But be sure that the plantain are properly ripe before making or using for dessert. You don't have to worry that the banana cut too thick because they don't need to cook long time. So instead of cut it thin slices, make it big. Just like that. Now that the coconut milk is boiling, I am going to add banana. Next, I am going to add tapioca. I just strain it. And now it's dry enough and ready to put in. This will take a while to bring it to the boil again. One thing I'd like you to note that for tapioca, make sure that it becomes translucent. When it's translucent, it's thoroughly cooked. Before adding the sugar. If the tapioca still look raw or white, floating on the surface, it's not time to add sugar yet. And I could tell that it's ready, fully cooked. As you can see on the video, translucent. So I'm just waiting for this to bring to the boil. Now that the bananas and tapioca are ready, I am going to add sugar. You can adjust the sweetness of sugar to your liking. It looks delicious, isn't it? Smells amazing. The aroma of the coconut milk. I wish you could smell what I smell. And lastly, I am going to add salt. Salt will balance the dessert. Just wait for a final boiling and I am going to turn off the heat. There you have it. Banana coconut dessert. Smells amazing with creamy coconut aroma and soft and sweet banana. Look at that. It looks so amazing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the next upload. See you in the next video.